Hello and welcome to my video. My name is Akulam Sonda, and in this video I'm going to do a quick breakdown of what I've done to the acoustic guitar performance that we were told to record in the studio recording and engineering paper. And that was question 1, where it says demonstrate the recording of an acoustic performance using a single microphone technique, which I did. The videos, I've put them up on my website. You can view them on my website. So what I did, the first thing I added was a compressor. I added a gate, and also I added an equalizer, and this was just to kind of get rid of some of the low end. By adding this, kind of give it more lightness. So what I'm going to do is let me turn them off one by one. So turn it off. Oh, this one's off. Reverb. Yeah, I actually recorded 3 takes, and after listening to them I found out the first take was the better one, so I chose to work on this. So let's start. Let's play it without anything. Then now let's start with compression here. Just put the threshold up to -30, the ratio at 6 to 1, the knee at 4.0, and I tweaked some of the stuff. And I also added an auto gain because this compressor actually doesn't have manual gain, so I just had to auto gain it. So I added again the gate to get rid of the noise. If you hear, let me turn this off. Here in the first part you hear there's a lot of noise. As you can even see the meter is moving, there's a lot of background noise. So what I did by adding this gate, if I turn it on, you won't hear that noise anymore. And the meter on the meter, it only moves when the guitar actually starts playing. And I added the equalizer just to high pass it a little bit. And the frequency, it was, at first I wanted to cut about 100 hertz, but after listening to it I felt like 100 hertz was kind of too much, so I brought it down to at least 90. Though I was debating on 90 and 80, but I stuck to 90 because it sounded okay. And I also did a band for here. I was looking for frequencies, some frequencies that might be irritating to the ear. I started sweeping around, and after finding a certain frequency here that I didn't really like the way it sounded when you boost it, so I had to bring it down just a bit down. I added a reverb. So I added a reverb where I added the verb generator and the echo generator, and I tweaked some of the knobs just to get that feel. Oh yeah, and the other thing that I did was to use automation, or volume automation. I wanted to volume automate this because this part was kind of way too loud. So by adding this, I can play around with how loud this is going to sound. Let's play everything together. So this is what I got. So that's the recording for the acoustic guitar performance using a single microphone technique. Thank you for watching. So if you want to listen and compare this and the before, I'll put both audios just below this video so that you can check them out and listen to the difference. Thank you for watching. As always, Aquila here.